The swing. Robert Louis Stevenson. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air so blue. Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall till I can see go so wide. Rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air